guys, Bowman's Homestead. Today we're going to be trying out a chain from Hipa 360. It's like a small engine repair kit company, I guess, but they also have, I think they have weed eater string, they got carburetors, they got spark plugs, fuel lines, all kinds of stuff. And I happened to find a semi-chisel chainsaw chain for the Stihl MS 170. So this is the chain they sent me. It's a semi-chisel 3/8 pico, so it'll fit on the Stihl MS 170, as you can see. If you can see that. It's got 55 drive links, just like the the ones you buy from Stihl or whatever. They're made in China. Like I said, they sent it to me. I've never used it. I'll show you guys the chain, the ground on it, and then we'll start getting into some of this wood I just got. I got a bunch, and there's still more. We got all this loaded today. I'm gonna need my bigger saw for a lot of it. It's in the shop. It should be done, I think, today, maybe sometime. But I'm gonna go ahead and get the smaller stuff with this new chain we've got. And I'll try to show this close up if I can get a good angle. I don't know if you can see the teeth on there. They're ground pretty good, really. Which one's that? Right here. So let's get this fired up and see what it'll do. Well guys, it's starting to thunder. I'm going to see if I can get a little bit cut. I don't really like doing it, obviously, next to a metal trailer. But I'm going to see if I can get a few cut and see how I like that chain. guys could see that pretty good. It's not bad of a chain. After using it like I have, it's not as good as Stihl, but it's also not the price of Stihl, and I need to tighten my chain. When it heats up, it wants to stretch. So I'll probably go in now. It's pouring ass rain out here, but go to Hipa 360, check out what they have. Like I said, this is not as good as a Stihl chain, but when we put our own file on it, we could probably bring it back to life. It's still really pretty good. I wish they made them for like my big saw, but they don't. So if you guys like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.